I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty with your Annapolis Real Estate Report. It's Friday, July 3rd, 2020, and the eve of our country's Independence Day holiday. Yay! Let's talk about what's happened in the Annapolis market since my last week's report. Median prices rose 5.9% to $451,000 from April. Inventory dropped from a 5-year average of 519 units to 361 units, while days on the market increased from 48 days last year to 63 days this year. Sellers are getting 97.6% of the list price, rising from a 5-year average of 96.2%. Activity remains stable. Annapolis will see 22 properties coming soon, priced between $229,000 and $2,395,000. One of these has a private pool and 4 are waterfront. 27 properties are new actives, priced from $189,000 to $2,750,000. One has a pool and 2 are waterfront. 27 homes went under contract, priced $162,000 to $2,400,000. 17 properties have moved from under contract to pending, priced from $175,000 to $1,900,000. 2 of these homes have a private pool and 1 is a waterfront. 67 homes sold since last Friday, priced from $155,000 to $2,700,000. 5 of those had private pools and 6 were waterfront. 32 properties remain temp off and are not visible to buyers seeking to buy unless they are working with a real estate professional. Overall, there are 312 homes actively listed for sale throughout the Annapolis areas, and with 23 that are coming soon, that brings the total potential inventory to 335 units, well below the 5-year average. Mortgage rates continue to be attractively low, and we have lots of buyers looking to buy. So if you are considering selling, we need to talk. Call me, text me, DM me, or Facebook Messenger me. That's your Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, July 3rd, 2020. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share to get all the updates regarding the Annapolis real estate market. Thanks for watching. Have a super holiday weekend and be safe out there. I'll see you next Friday.